morning, my loves. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing okay. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning. Not so beautiful because the weather is cold. Rema has her gymnastics performance today, so we're heading off to, cheer her on, and just rushing down there now. Rema feels much better this morning, so I'm happy about that because I was a bit concerned if that was going to affect her. But this morning she woke up feeling alright, so that's good. Rema, are you excited about your performance? Yeah. Rema?
Yeah.
You want to say hello?
Hello.
Are you excited about your performance?
Yeah.
Are you going to smash it as usual?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This
So
is my first gymnastics show.
yes, this is her first gymnastics show, and Rema has been working really hard.
Okay.
So we're looking forward to watching her perform. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. Hope everyone is doing alright. And if you've not caught up on my Vlogmas series, what are you waiting for? Please go and binge watch. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and get cozy and binge watch my Vlogmas series. Okay, hello Aaron. Hello. What do you want to say? You said talk to me and you're not saying anything.
I'm interested.
You're interested? Okay. What are you watching?
From watching Bible stories.
Bible stories. Okay. Anyway guys, I would see you guys soon. Hopefully I will be able to give you guys a sneak peek of Rema's performance. But yeah, let's see how that goes, and I'll see you guys soon. Woo! 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 Wow! Whoa! Woo!
I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here.
Oh, well done! Oh, well done, Rema! Guys, look at all Rema's awards! Yay! Come on! Guys, look at the gymnast of the year! Look at who bagged all the...
I got all of the awards.
Come on, girl, show
Let
off.
me show you.
Show off. Proud mama moment.
I had
And where are the other awards?
and they gave me the first award, the purple award.
One.
And then they gave me this.
Wow, 2. Come on.
And this.
Come on, 3.
And this.
4. Okay. Level 8. Okay.
And this.
Come on. Another medal. Come on.
And this.
Wow.
Let me show you guys again in case.
No, don't worry. They've seen it. But how does this make you feel?
Happy.
And guys, this is actually Rema's first term in gymnastics, and she's been working super hard, learning all her skills, and Rema is so flexible. Like, well done, Ren.
You saw
And
me
they've-
do that
yeah,
back bend.
yeah, and she will be going into the advanced class because she's done really well. She's worked really hard and she deserves it. Well done, Rams. Clap for yourself. So yeah guys, that was fun, and yeah, we just got back home, and I just thought to check in with you guys, and we enjoyed the gymnastics session. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys.
Hello. Today we're buying popcorn because we're watching a movie.
Yes, we are. Hey guys, we just rushed down to Tesco. I want to make French toast today. I don't know, for some reason I'm craving French toast, and it's only Tesco that they sell that particular brioche bread I'm looking for. So we just ran down to Tesco to get the brioche the brioche bread for the French toast. And then we are doing a movie night today with the kids. So we came over to Tesco to get some popcorn and some snacks that we're going to use for our movie.
That is why.
So yeah, we want to get some popcorn and some snacks that we're going to be using for our movie night. Right, Rema? What movie are we watching today?
We're watching Families with or something else.
Yeah, so we're watching a Christmas family movie. So we just want to pick up some popcorn, right?
Yeah.
And some yummy snacks that we're going to use. We're going to graze over while watching our movie. So yeah, I just got to check in with you guys. And yeah, let's do this. Come on, Aaron. Let's get some M&Ms.
And guys, I've been hearing the comments about me and the Star Show, isn't it?
Yes. Okay, so Rema is feeling really cool because she feels that everyone is commenting on the videos and giving her a thumbs up. So she said, "Oh, so I already have fans?" I said, "Yes, girl, you have fans. You have people that love you." So I guess. So what M&M are we getting?
Let's get the one that has
Which one is that one? Not the one with nuts though, because Rema can have the one with nuts.
Yeah.
No, this one has nuts, Aaron. You can have this one.
Be fair.
Yeah. So which one? Let's get this one.
Yeah, that's chocolate. Let's get two.
We can get Maltesers as well.
Oh, okay.
Let's get Maltesers.
And this
Yeah, let's go this way.
Let's go.
No, there's biscuit at home already, Aaron. Let's get some chocolate for you guys for church tomorrow.
Okay. Let's get
So you guys definitely don't like that Twix, right?
no.
So should I just go back to Kit Kat?
No, let's go to chocolate button.
Which one is that one? But they don't do chocolate buttons in individual wraps, though. They don't do the chocolate buttons in individual wraps. Aaron, you like that one? See, Aaron likes this one.
I don't like it.
So maybe we should get you normal Kit Kat.
Let me know what it.
You want the white Kit Kat?
White.
The white one.
Yeah, because the black one let me down.
Right, let's go. Let's go get some popcorn and the brioche bread.
Yay! Yay! It's sweet. We need to get thanks, Mama.
Oh no, these ones are the ones in packs. No, let's get. Yeah. So these are the sweet ones. So we can get one sweet, one salty.
Yeah, I like that one. Can I have it? I don't like soup.
We can get it and mix it together, all up in a big bowl. Do you guys want some hot dogs?
No. Yeah. No.
So this is the brioche bread I like for my French toast. Honestly, the best.
I want some too.
This is literally, when I tasted this pizza, it's so nice. Like, this is proper American style pizza. So cheesy and so yummy and so soft. So one of that, right?
I just
So yeah guys, the remaining part of this video will be a voiceover because yeah, I just got home. I decided to pour myself a nice lovely glass of Baileys because it's been a long time I've had Baileys, guys, and what other way of celebrating the festive season with a nice lovely glass of Baileys. So here's that pizza I was telling you guys about that I got for the kids. The kids wanted pizza for lunch, so this is me just cutting the pizza. This pizza is so nice, so can you see the dough? Can you see that? And it's so cheesy. Like, my son almost finished the whole pizza. But yeah, this is me just serving their pizzas that they will have. And the thing about this pizza is that the crust as well is stuffed with cheese. It's so nice. My eye was even entering the pizza. I'm not even gonna lie, I had to steal a slice. I'm not gonna lie. So this is me just sorting the kids out for their lunch, just, you know, serving them their pizza and I now started on with making my eggs and my French toast, because I told you guys earlier I was really craving French toast that particular day. And what other weather to have a nice slice of French toast other than this gloomy London weather? Okay, so I was really craving French toast. Luckily, I just broke my fast, so I just had to, make myself a French toast. I really, really needed it. So this is me just, shredding the onions and the vegetables I'll be using for my eggs, my omelets that I'll be using for the French toast. And yeah, what are your comfort food when, the weather just feels gloomy? What do you guys always see yourself going to? I love French toast. I love me a good French toast with maple syrup. Come on. So this is me just dicing up all the vegetables. Please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It takes a lot bringing you guys these videos on a daily basis, even though I've missed like 2 days already, but sis, it's not easy. So the only way you can show me love and support is by liking, subscribing and leaving a comment if you haven't already. Okay, love you guys. Toodaloos. So back to the video. So this is me just cutting my cutting my eggs, breaking the eggs I'll be using for my omelette, and obviously the brioche as well. But let's start with the omelette. So I had to break 6 eggs here because I'm making omelette for myself and my husband. And yeah, this is just me, doing that. I always like to clean up after I make a mess because I just find it easier that way. I don't like to leave mess as I'm cooking. It just does me anyhow. So this is a brioche bread I was telling you guys about that I get from Tesco. Listen, I do not like to make my French toast without this brioche bread. I don't like to use plain bread. I don't like to use sliced bread. I always like my French toast a particular kind of size, thick size. That way I know I'm eating French toast. Okay, so this is the brioche bread I always go to because this brioche bread alone is sweet and tasty. So imagine mixing it with all the French toast ingredients. Chef's kiss, trust me. So this is me just breaking the eggs for the French toast. With my French toast I always use, depends on how many I'm making, but I always use eggs. I always put milk in it. I mean, if you want a detailed French toast recipe for this Christmas, let me know. I got you, sis. Okay. So this is me adding the milk for the recipe. I'll also love to add some cinnamon, some vanilla extract and nutmeg, sugar and all of that good stuff to just make the recipe very rich and rich and nice, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is just me whisking everything together. And yeah, I'll also be adding after all that is done, I will now be adding my the brioche bread into the mix. I will make sure it soaks up on each side for like a few seconds, not too long. I just want the whole bread to soak the juice very well. That's how you can get that lovely, nice, moist and soft French toast. Okay, so this is me just soaking the brioche into the mixture. Can you see how the mixture is looking very brown and very nice? Yes, that's what you want to get. That's what you want to achieve. And while I'm doing that, while the bread is soaking, I've already put my hot pan on fire and put a bit of butter. You can use oil, I mean whatever floats your boat, that's up to you, but I love to use butter because butter comes with its own taste, if you get what I mean. So this is me just adding butter to the hot pan. The butter is already melting and I will just be adding the French toast into the hot pan and just let it do its thing. Okay, you have to watch it very well, careful at this point because it can tend to burn easily. So this is me just flicking it up backwards and forwards and making sure it's not going to burn. And yeah, just serving the lovely French toast on the plate. That's what that is looking like. This French toast was let me not talk too much, but even me looking at it, you can see that the French toast is giving. Okay, so now I had to clean up the hot pan and also added a bit of olive oil and started adding my cut vegetables for my omelette. I always love to use fresh vegetables for my omelette because it just makes it rich and very nice, So this is me just stir frying the vegetables, the onions, the tomato and the pepper, and then adding my eggs to it. Bearing in mind I already added salt and all of that ingredients. So this is me just stirring the omelette. This omelette, I wanted it to be one round big plate of omelette, but that's
my dream was cut short quickly because the omelette just broke into pieces. And this one, like, what's this? But oh well, you get the drift. So this is me just, you know, plating, you know, all for the gram, all for content. So this is me just plating. I added 2 brioche. I couldn't finish this brioche, I'm not even gonna lie. Added my bacon, my omelette. Look at how that is looking, and I'm just drizzling some maple syrup over this. And this brings me to the end of this, but please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, my loves. Mwah.
Christmas Day, you've been waiting this late. It's almost